Growling at himself.
At you?
No, at himself.
At what?
At himself.
He's gonna be worn out now.
Max, who's that dog? Who's that doggy? Who's that doggy?
Go around. He's fast.
That's why I'm surprised he doesn't walk. Walk faster with you, you know, when you walk around the block.
He'll start.
No.